Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable the drag to the top of the screen snap layout feature on Windows 11. So it's a new feature on Windows, especially since the fall 2022 release, that will allow you to snap windows to a different part of the screen just by dragging up to the top, and then you can just drop it into a various boxes depending on how you want the window to be oriented. I'll show you guys how to enable it. Go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. You just need to scroll down, select multitasking. You just need to select the drop down in snap windows, and now you can able to see the option, the third option, show snap layout when I drag a window to the top of my screen. You just need to check mark it, and now just drag this window and go to the top of the screen. You can able to snap a window. That's how you do that. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.